Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ScholarMatch step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the ScholarMatch website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, locate the Login button. This button is usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the Login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, type in your password. Double-check your entries to ensure they are correct. If you've forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on this link to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once your email and password are entered, click the Login button. Wait a moment for the system to process your login request. If your credentials are correct, you'll be taken to your ScholarMatch dashboard. In case of an error, a message will appear indicating what went wrong. Review the error message for guidance. Make any necessary corrections and attempt to log in again. Once logged in, you can explore the features and resources available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.